B, that is the correct answer because uh, balance of all factor of productions may be material, man, and machines. We can balance it. So once again, I will repeat this. Productivity is concerns with the balance of all factors related to the production. So here, productivity is output divided by the input. Input it contains raw material cost, manpowers and overheads, and output means whatever the revenue will get generate after selling that product. That is output. Okay. Now, next question: Taylor's contributions to. So Taylor contributed to time study, motion study, project study, or value engineering. Here, a little bit problem is here. Time study, motion study, uh, project study, and value engineering. Like this, four alternatives is there. But what I told, Taylor is related to method study. Taylor is related to method study, and time study it comes under the work measurement. So whatever the options written in this booklet, that is actually incorrect. But whenever the questions will be there in your exams, you can write the answer. A is the correct answer, time study, because if you want to change the methods, here time is also point need to be considered. But the alternatives, if it is like this way, then time study will be there. In this booklet, at the bottom, we will see what is the answer they have given. Uh, 2A is given. 2A is given, means time study, but actually the Taylor's contributions related to the method study. In this method study, we require the times. Okay, so whenever these types of alternatives are there, then you can write the time study. And always you have to remember Taylor is related to method study, and F Gilbert that is related to the work measurement or motion study. Okay. The next productivity is defined as output divided by input. First, A is the correct. So Gilbert contributions to, once again a repeated question is there. So out of these two and poles, two scientists always play important roles in the industrial engineering. Taylor's always be related to method study, and Gilbert this is related to the work measurements. That means motion study or time study is the standard times calculations. So here Gilbert's contributions to the motion study, because time study we have given to Taylor's. So here we can write the motion study. So small motions, micro motion study, it has been divided into the time study and motion study. Both it will comes under the work measurement. So here for answer is the motion study. Then next that is the questions numbers 5. Productivity can be increased. So how we can increase the productivity, because the definition of the productivity is output divided by input. So you can decrease the input and increase the output. So you can read the first alternative, when production increase without increasing in input. This is not correct. Same productions with the increasing input. This is also not correct. Rate of increasing output is more as compared to rate of increasing input. You see? So input always be less as compared to output. This thing you have to remember. Output should be more than input. So C, that is the correct. Then next question, that is the 6 numbers. Productivity of enterprises refers to which of the following? A rate of growth of capital. No. Capital cost means initial cost of the machines, tools, etc., building. Ratio of gross income to the gross expenditures. Is it correct? So gross expenditures ratio of the income to the gross. So means output divided by input. This D is the correct. Yearly gross income. Only income is not sufficient. Input point also need to be considered in the productivity. Okay. Then seventh question, father of time study what? So father of time study, that is the F.W. Taylor. In this whole assignment, time study, this is related to the F.W. Taylor in this question. But actually, F.W. Taylor, this is related to the method study. Okay, and motion study, Gilbert. So here's if the question is like this way, then you have to write here the F.W. Taylor for father of time study. And last, work sampling technique was devised by work sampling technique. So, what things you have got through this question number 8? So, have you got the idea about this work sampling? What is the question? Answer is not given in the table. So, what is the answer for this work sampling? Emo charts, work sampling. So, your work sampling is uh, related to LHC Tippett. So, answer number C. So, 8 answer number C is correct. Work sampling technique was devised by the LHC Tippett. So, here Tippett is there because Gilbert is related to motion study, F.W. Taylor method study, LHC Tippett, this is related to work sampling. So this is about the questions related to chapter number 1. So productivity, definition of the productivity, output divided by input, and production means the the quantity to be considered within the specified period. Uh, Taylor's related to the method study, but related to this alternative time study. Productivity output divided input. Gilbert, this is related to motion study. Productivity can be increased by increasing the output as compared to input. And here productivity is ratio of gross income to gross expenditure. Father of time study, this is related to F.W. Taylor. And work sampling, this is related to L.H. Tippett. So here's two scientists and their work you have to remember. Productivity you have to remember. These two questions are very important. Method study and motion study. That you have to think over this. And which scientist has done the work over this. That you have to remember. And what is the meaning of the productivity and production. So these things you have to remember related to chapter number 1. So let us we go to the next chapter. Chapter number 2, that is the method study. So here's first questions. Travel charts indicate. What is the use of travel charts? Who will give the answer of this? Either frequency of movement, repetitive movement, manual movement, idle time of man or machines. Travel chart related to what? Who will give the answer? Without observing the answers which is given below this, you will tell the answer of this. travel charts related to what? So here repetitive movement, frequency of movement, manual movement and items of man and machine. So already I have discussed that this travel chart, that is the recording presenting quantitative data. Quantitative data means volume, weight, etc. And its movement means frequency of movement. Travel charts related to the quantitative data. Quantitative data means mass, volume, and its frequency of movement. So question number one's answer is the correct. So method study symbols triangle indicates. Now you know that in method study five symbols are there. So you have to keep the meaning of all symbols in your mind. Circle indicate what, triangles indicate what, the arrow indicate what, rectangular indicate what. So here triangle is there. Triangles related to what? Delay, delays D always be there. Operation circle is there. Intersections, squares or rectangular will be there, and storage triangles will be there. So you can justify this five symbols in method study. So circle, operations, intersection, delay, and storage. So these things, five symbols you have to remember. Storage, triangles, intersections, rectangular or square. Operation circle will be there, and delay means the first word D. So here method study triangle symbols indicate storage. CMO chart is used in CMO chart simultaneously motion chart. It is used. What is the meaning of CMO chart? What is the meaning of CMO chart? Simultaneously motion chart. Simultaneously motion chart. So here's time study. We cannot use this chart. Micro motions, memo motions, and inventory controls. Now, this inventory controls related to the raw materials. Memo motion study, it is not in our syllabus. My time study, we already gone through the work measurements. But CMO chart, this is related to the micro motions. We can take these micro motions with video, camera, etc. So simultaneously motion start. Sometime questions will be there. CMO chart means what? So here's the meaning of CMO chart. Simultaneously motion chart. Simultaneously motion chart. Simultaneously two letters they have taken. Yes, I. And in motions they have taken two letters. That's why the name is given CMO. Simultaneously first two letters. Yes and I. In motions they have taken two letters, that's why it is mo. So simultaneously motion chart, this is used for micro motion study. Then next, read these questions number 4. Critical examination is carried out through. Critical examinations is carried out through. So how we can carry out the critical examinations? Critical examinations by asking different types of questions. Okay, who will do that? By who? Which place? Why done by that place? If you do other way, what will happen? So like this questionnaire is there. So this is the critical examinations in your time study. So cumulative stopwatch we cannot use. Stopwatch is normally used in time study. Work sampling, this is related to mass production and sampling technique, statistical technique we can use. Travel charts, we have seen the travel charts. This is the frequency of distributions, volumes, quantity based. We can questionnaire process. This is the correct. So by asking different types of questions, critical examination is carried out. So which questions normally you can ask? Which type of questions? So different types of questions are there. What is actually need? Why it is necessary? How we can achieve this? Why we can select for that process? Why should not go for other process? Where we have to do? By whom we can complete it? And why that person? So like this critical examination questions always be there. Now questions number 5. Now here this fifth questions it is not in our syllabus, but even though we can go for solving this type of questions. Uh, in cycle graph, path movement of worker is traced by template, string, straight light, continuous source of light. So here cycle graph means the shape of that graph is round. That's why the name is given cycle graph. Path movement of worker is traced by. Here string diagrams and flow diagrams we have studied. Straight lines we have not studied. Template, it is a replica of the product to be made. So this is related to product. String diagrams, repetitive motion is there, so we can use straight lines. It is not in our part of the work study. Continuous source of light. So in this cyclograph, normally we can trace the movement of the workers by using the continuous light. Light is required in the cyclograph. Next, micro motion study is used in micro motion study. So here's micro motion study is used in where we can use this simultaneously motion chart whenever motion is there. Hmm. So here's six numbers is just we have discussed the CMO chart used in micro study, and below this micro motion study is used in the CMO chart. Just a reverse question is there. So question number 3 and question number 6, just opposite questions are there. Then we'll go to the next. So here's a method study, the symbol circle representative. So you have to keep all these 5 symbols in your mind. So here circle represent operation, a triangle represent inspection, D delay means D capital D, and storage means triangle. So here circle indicates the operations. Flow process charts is used in work sampling. No, mass production is that. Micro motion we cannot use. String diagrams, what is the use of string diagrams? We have to consider the repetitive motions. And flow diagrams, this is used in the method study. String diagrams related to the movement and workflow process chart. So here it is used in method study. Flow process chart. Here's different types of chart which has been used in method study. Operation process chart, flow process chart, multiple activity chart, and two-handed process chart. So here, four type of charts you have to remember. First is operation process chart or outline process chart or bird's eyes. So three name is there: outline, then operation process chart, and bird's eye. So three words will be there. Then flow process. Flow diagram is different. Flow process. Multiple activity chart means one man can handle more than one machine, and 200 process chart. So all this it will comes under the method study. You have to remember all these things will comes under the method study. Now questions numbers 9. Question number 9. So patch of movement of brand materials can be better visualized by if movement it is a repetitive, then there is a string diagram. If it is not repeated, then it is a flow diagram. So if you go to the answer of this ninth questions at the, so here you will see the what answer they have given. 9D is given. So whether it is correct or not, we will justify D. None of the patch of movement of band materials can be better utilized. So here patch words, this is a very different. So what is the meaning of the patch? Patch movement, repetitive movement is there, then we can use string diagram. And if a path of movement of man material is there, and then here we can use a flow diagram. So might be there is a mistake in the word path of movement of man material can be better visualized by flow diagram. If that movement is repeated, then we can use a string diagram. So two things you have to remember here. Uh, Flow diagrams, this is related to the uh, man, materials and equipment. Man, materials and equipment, but string diagrams, this is related to the workers. So here man material is there. So we know that equipment and man and materials, we require the flow diagram. So whenever word man material is there, then you can write here flow diagram, not string diagram. String diagrams, the workers movement, repetitive movement may be traced here. Then question number 10, micro motion technique is micro motion. String diagram, it is not micro motion. Flow diagrams, it is not. Cyclographs, but it is not in syllabus because cyclograph, it has been traced the movement by using a light source. The question number 11, Hauling technique of workmanship is based on statistics. So already I have discussed this point. Work sampling, this is related to statistics. Work sampling, it is based on statistics. So here our B answer, this is correct. Hauling techniques of work measurement is used on basis of statistic, that is the work sampling. Then next question, question number 12. Hauling techniques require time scale during the drawing. Where we require time scale? Multiple activity chart, flow process chart, outline process chart. Here nothing is there. String diagrams. Here's also time scale we don't have required. But multiple activity chart is there. Time scale is the most. So let us we see the answer of 12 numbers at the bottom. What they are given. So here 12C they have given. Yes, this our Multiple activity means one man is handling two machines. One side idle machines, machine number one, machine number two. In between, the workers is there, and there is a requirement of skill. So here, multiple activity we require the scale. Time scale is required. Then third, micro motion study involves dash fundamental hand motions. This is called thurblings. So how many thurblings are there? 24, 16, 12, 18. How many thurblings are there? 18. 18 thurblings are there. We can put all these thurblings in the micro motion study, and each motion we have traced and we have to decide the time for this. Then question number 14. Method study symbol D. See that repeated questions are there. Only you have to remember the specific thing. Five symbols you have to remember: operation, inspections, transport, storage, okay, and delay. Delay, it is very easy to remember because the first D word, it means a delay. When transportation is there, arrow will be there. When storage part is there, triangle will be there. When inspection part is there, rectangular part will. When operation is there, round should be there. Then the next question number 15. Again, repeated question is there, question number 15, but it is not related to our syllabus, but even though sometime the questions will be there, dash is required for cyclograph. Here, light source, this is the correct answer. Stopwatch, we required for work measurement. String diagrams, workers' motions. Template, the part which is going to produce the same copy of that part, that is the template. Now 16 question number. Question number 16. Flow process chart is useful for to study workstation layout, to waiting time and unnecessary, reduce the idle time of man and machine, to fix up the sequence of operation. Which is the correct? This is the correct. To study the workstation layout. Flow means man, material, and equipment. Motion, movement. To reduce the idle time of the man machines, it is not related to this. It is related to this our travel charts. To fix the sequence of operation. First, which operation, after that, next operation, like this. So let us we see the expected answer for this flow process chart. This thing will be there. What do you know about this thing? Flow process chart. Here's normally we can use for the movement. We already you know that flow process chart and flow diagram difference is there. Flow diagram, this is related to the frequency of movement, and flow process chart, this is actually the sequence of operations. So here it's a flow process chart. Here it's a frequency of operation. It is related to this this flow diagram, and this flow process chart. This is related to the sequence of operation. Since one operation is worse, then we'll go to the next operation. Now question number 17. Which of the allowance are personal allowance? So while calculating standard times, what actually we need? Observed times. After that, performance rating. Observed times into performance rating, you will get the normal times or basic time. And in that, you can add the personal allowance and contingency allowance, you will get the standard time. So here, which of the following allowance is personal allowance? To wash hand, traveling, to get a glass of water, to fix up the sequence of operation. So to wash a hand, this is our hand we are doing for our purpose. This is the personal allowance. Washing a hand means we are fulfilling our needs. So this is the personal allowance to wash hand. The first thing is there. Then again 18 method study symbol. Repeated question is there. So five symbols you have to remember operations. Then inspections, triangle is there, operation, circle is there, transportation, arrow is there, storage, triangle is there, delay, D is there. So here triangle is related to the storage. Time scale is used in the following chart. Hmm. So again, this is just the reverse question is there. So here time scale normally used in our multiple activity charts because here one man is handling more than one machine. So here we require little bit scale. So that's why multiple activity chart. This is correct answer. Question number 20. How many questions are there? Again, totally 29 questions are there. So we are at a 20 number. Critical examination is step used in job evaluation, incentive, time study or method study. So here it's a normally critical examinations it has been observed in the method study. Why? Because here before changing any method, we have to collect number of questions. What is the purpose of that product? Where we can do this product? Who will do this product? Why we will get done from that? Why not others? So like these questions will be there. So here critical examinations related to method study. Analysis of work into basic human motion is the required and analysis of work into basic human motions. Basic human motions. So time study analytically explain this is statistical part, work measurement part, but predetermined motion time study it, it contains the basic human motion means reach, grasp, release like these words will be there and it comes under the PMTS predetermined motion time system. Then various chart is the technique of various chart is the technique of different types of chart where we have studied here multiple activity chart, process chart, we have outline process chart, flow process chart, multiple activity, two-handed process chart we have studied where we have studied repeated questions. Cyclograph we required light. Light source is required in cyclograph. Uh, Question number 20, but similar question is there. Operation process chart. Operation process chart where we can use operation process chart. process. What is the use of operation process chart? They are fixing sequence of operation. This is related to flow process to reduce the idle times of man and a machine, to avoid waiting time and unnecessary time, to study the workstation. So, which is the correct answer? Conclusion part here. We study, we get to 20D. 20D. To fix sequence of operation. It is totally wrong answer because in flow process chart sequence operation this is correct. So here operation process chart this is a related step by step convert of raw material into finished product. Step by step conversion of raw material into finished product. Here operation and inspection symbol we can use. And sequence of operation this we can see in the flow process chart. Here 25 number not a correct answer, it is given in this A, B, C, D. So here you can mark the question mark for the 25th question because here problem is uh, related to operations and the inspections. So sequence of operation this is related to flow process chart, reduce the idle time of man and machine, multiple activity chart, related to the conversation layout. It is so not that much important. So here operation process chart, this is related to operation and inspections. Activity will be there. Now next question number 26. You can just bold this 25th question. The alternative is also not correct. In method study, critical examination is done through questionnaire. Critical examination, how we can answer? This is repeated. What is turbling of grass? Grass seed. So you can study how many symbols so we can use in the turbling. 18 turblings we can use for this. So what is the turbling for grass? Grass means our fingers. We are going to hold that part. So similar B type of symbols. This is very useful. Then next, turbling in mathematics is described by standard symbols and colors. Standard symbol and colors we required. SIMO stand for simultaneously motions chart. Simultaneously motions chart. Simultaneously motion chart or cycle chart like this. So question A is this is correct. So this is about the 28 questions. It is used in our So these 20 questions you have to prepare. So after this, we'll discuss about the guidelines in addition to these questions. Each point you have to remember here. Related to this, some questions will be there: production, productivity difference, factors affecting on productivity. These parts will be there. Then work study having two parts, that is the method study and work measurement. What is the objective, advantages and disadvantages? Then work study and work study mans will be there. Method study, types of charts, different process of the chart, different symbols used in the method study, operation process chart, flow process chart, multiple activity charts, 200 process charts. So this much charts we going to study. After that, two diagrams, that is the flow diagram and stream diagrams. Whenever the sequence of operations will be there, so then it is the flow process. But flow diagrams, some movement of man, machine, materials will be there. Whenever repetitive motion is there, then we can use the string diagrams for travel charts. We have studied travel chart is visual record, quantitative data like frequency of movement, travel chart. We have taken one example from this. Then template, two-dimensional output of cardboard or color paper. Template is there. Then micro motion study. Here we requires the film, etc. to trace this. And macro motion study, we have gone through the 18 symbols, color coding, meaning, etc. You have to remember. After that, simultaneously motion chart, meaning small the activity of our hands, each can be traced. Critical examinations will be there, and the after this development and selection of the best method. So this is the brief idea about these two chapters, and similarly multiple choice questions. Okay. So anybody having any problems, we can ask. Once again, so we'll show you here few questions having the problems. The question number 25th, there is a problem for 25th. You have to change alternatives for this 25th. Operation process chart. This is related to operation and instruction, not related to other streams. Other than this, questions may not be there, but in the reverse way, they will going to ask some questions related to this. So anybody having any problems, you can ask me. Okay. Today we have completed two chapters on which the number of multiple type of questions it has been asked, and just we have discussed so that you can remember whenever your exams will be there. When next month your exam will be there, you can study this and go for the exam. From the industrial point of view, which things actually very important Standard time calculations, micro motion study. This is very important. Then, if you start your own industry, then the facility locations, then plant layout, job evaluation, merit rating will be there. But when you will be in industry related to industrial engineering, some work may be there related to the work measurement, standard time calculations, then uh, some of the charts, work sampling, the some of the concept like the flow diagram, or some of the concept like a flow process chart, uh, as well as a multiple activity charts. This actually be required in the STEM study. So major things to use of this technique to reduce the downtimes in industry, because in industry if you um, waste a certain time, then it will harmful to that industry, because every minute they used to pay the amounts as a salary, as wages, as incentive, as a bonus. So we can take the benefit of the same and do that work. So downtimes, that is very critical. Don't waste the times in the industry. Every minute, every second, we can utilize for the development of the industry. And there should be less rejections, because if rejection will be there, then less revenue generation will be there, and revenue generation means this is the loss of that industry. Once the loss of the industry, then who will give the money for our survival purpose? So here, few logical things actually we required to study about the work and the measurement of the work done, so that every operations, everything we require certain time. Within these times, we have to get the complete the work, so that we can achieve the goals, the delivery date, the dispatch date, and within the uh, few days, we will get the revenue through this, and through this our survival should be there. Again, one more thing is their method study. Present method we have to go for changing this method, because here we require to reduce the certain time, reduce the wastage, increase the productions, increase the productivity. And for this purpose, we require the method study. So, production, productivity, and reduce the cost. For these three words only, we require the concept of the industrial engineering. Increase the production, productivity, and reduce the cost of manufacturing. So, industrial engineering uh, can collect all the knowledge within these 3 points. Means the syllabus of the industrial engineering, it is totally based on three words, that is production, productivity, and reduce the cost of manufacturing. Okay. So today we have completed the objective types of questions based on chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Next time we'll discuss the multiple choice of questions on chapter number 3 and 4. After this, 5th and 6th. And after this, we'll take the total revision of the sims. But before that, I would like to request to all of you to complete your class test and your this assignment, six assignment and six classmate. If it is not sent to me, get it complete as early as possible, and make the PDF files and send to my mails or WhatsApp, so that I will going to count um, your numbers before dispatching the term of part to the university. Okay. So anybody having any questions, any doubt, or any problems that you can ask? Hmm? Okay, there is no questions. Now we'll stop here. Thank you once again to all of you.